In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Temu. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you want to track your order later or use any saved shipping or payment details. Once you're in, browse through the products and look for the items you want to buy. You can search directly for something specific or scroll through categories if you're still deciding. When you find something you like, add it to your cart. Take your time here so you can make sure you've selected the right item, quantity, and any available options before moving on. After you've added everything you want, tap the cart icon to open your shopping cart and review your order. This is a good moment to double check that all the items are correct and that nothing extra was added by mistake. If everything looks good, select Proceed to Checkout. Next, enter your shipping address or confirm it if it's already saved on your account. It's important to make sure this information is accurate so your package goes to the right place without delays. After that, choose the payment method you want to use. Temu may offer several options, such as a credit card, debit card, digital wallet, or other available payment methods depending on your region. Pick the option that's most convenient for you and enter the required payment details if needed. As always, make sure you're using a secure internet connection when entering payment information. Before you finalize the purchase, review your order details and the total amount carefully. This includes the items you're buying, your shipping information, and the final price. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes and make sure you're comfortable with the total before paying. When you're ready, tap Place Order or Pay Now to complete your purchase. At that point, your payment will be processed and the order will be submitted. Finally, wait for the order confirmation to appear. Once your purchase is confirmed, you can go to your orders to track the shipment and keep an eye on delivery updates. And that's how to pay on Temu. Follow these steps carefully, review everything before submitting, and you'll be able to complete your order smoothly.